Interior AI, Room GPT, and Midjourney all promise to redesign your room from a single photo, and we ran all three through the same 5 tests to see which one actually delivers. The biggest surprise in the research, the tool with the best looking output, Midjourney, is the one reviewers warn you not to trust with your actual room. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to open the next time you need a real render, not just a pretty picture. On community testing, Interior AI scored 8.5 out of 10. Room GPT came in at 7.0. Midjourney doesn't get boxed into a simple number the same way. Reviewers just call it the aesthetic king. Moody lighting, painterly textures, the works, and Midjourney V7 is reportedly realistic enough that casual observers can't tell it apart from a photograph. But here's the complication. Interior AI is the only one of the three that respects the room's actual geometry. Room GPT can warp built-ins. Midjourney has limited layout preservation. So Midjourney wins this test on raw looks, but if you're showing a client their actual kitchen, a gorgeous room that isn't their room doesn't help you. I went through the official docs, pricing pages, and community reviews on all three of these tools so you don't have to piece it together yourself. Midjourney V8 renders in under 10 seconds, about 5 times faster than V7. Room GPT lands around 15 to 30 seconds. Interior AI is marketed as fastest in category, but its own numbers put it around 15 seconds too. So on the stopwatch, Midjourney wins clean. But once you're in the 15 to 30 second range, the speed gap barely changes how you actually work. You're waiting either way. Room GPT starts you with 1 free credit, then $9 for $30 credits, working out to roughly 30 cents a render. Midjourney starts at $10 a month with no free trial. Interior AI has the highest barrier of the three at $39 a month, and there's no free tier at all. Room GPT wins this test outright. If you just want to mess around with a few rooms before committing to anything, it's the only one of the three that lets you start for free. Stick with me because the last 4 tests are where this decision actually flips. Interior AI offers 40 plus design styles. Room GPT offers 10 to 20 plus preset themes with less control over materials or lighting. Midjourney has no style library at all, it's prompt-based, and reviewers say it typically takes 5 to 10 plus iterations before you land on something usable. Interior AI wins this one clearly, and it's not close. One of the biggest problems I run into when using AI agents is turning their output into YouTube content I can actually use to market my product. That's why this video is sponsored by Subscriber, a tool that helps business owners connect their AI agents to YouTube and market their products without spending 10 hours every week creating content. You can connect Claude or ChatGPT directly to Subscriber. It then analyzes your business, website, and YouTube channel to help you create SEO-optimized video ideas, scripts, thumbnails, and even complete videos that actually match your brand. What I like most is that every week, Subscriber gives me a list of high-potential video ideas I can immediately execute, and it can even help edit videos for me, with or without my face, including videos like the one you're watching right now. It's easy to get started, and you can try Subscriber for free using the link in the description below. Now back to the video. More styles plus geometry that holds together means fewer wasted renders when you're actually trying to finish a room, not just generate one nice image. Interior AI supports web and mobile with resolution, up to 8K. Room GPT is the most accessible, no install, runs in a browser, plus a mobile app with 500,000 plus downloads. Midjourney runs through a web app, Discord, and API access, but defaults to 2048 by 2048 resolution. Interior AI takes this test on raw capability. Room GPT takes it on ease of access. For anyone printing a render or presenting it at full size, that 8K ceiling is the one that matters. Interior AI wins 2 tests outright, style control and platform capability, and it does it with 40 plus styles and resolution up to 8K. Its weakness is obvious, $39 a month with no free tier. Room GPT wins pricing, a free credit to start and roughly 30 cents a render after that. Its weakness is geometry, it can warp the built-ins in your actual room. Midjourney wins output quality and speed, under 10 seconds, a render with the best aesthetic in the category. Its weakness is exactly what makes it so pretty, unpredictable layouts that don't respect your actual space. Interior AI is the winner here, and the tied scoreboard is exactly why. Midjourney and Interior AI each won 2 tests, but look at which 2. Midjourney's wins are quality and speed, aesthetics. Interior AI's wins are style control and platform capability, the 2 tests that actually decide whether a render is usable for real design work. A gorgeous room that warps your bookshelf. Now, Interior AI is the winner here, and the tied scoreboard is exactly why. Midjourney and Interior AI each won 2 tests, but look at which 2. Midjourney's wins are quality and speed, aesthetics. Interior AI's wins are style control and platform capability, the 2 tests that actually decide whether a render is usable for real design work. A gorgeous room that warps your bookshelf. If this helped, the next breakdown on the channel goes even deeper.